So now we just have a hot towel on Daniel's face right now, prepping the skin to accept the products that we're going to use before we actually start shaving the face. So remember, time is of the essence when it comes to a great shave. Okay, Lawrence, is there any pointers you can give our audience today on shaving?
Well, the reason for the hot towel is also to add to what you were saying, is to prep, but also to soften the whiskers, because depending on the coarseness of the hair, some people have hair that's coarse, more coarse than others, so the hot towel really helps to get the beard ready to accept the product.
Absolutely, but at home, you may not be able to do the hot towel. So what I suggest is to get your face in the sink and thoroughly wet your beard. Grab a hot washcloth and put a hot washcloth and just hold it on your skin for a few minutes, and maybe repeat that a couple of times. Splash your beard with some hot water before you start to apply your product. After you have soaked your beard with a hot towel or hot water, now we're going to apply some pre-shave solutions. I believe that they're very important because it really allows that razor to kind of glide on the skin. Also, it creates a barrier between your beard and the blade. So very important, these pre-shave solutions out on the market at John Allan's, we have a great one called Slick Water that we use. It's actually a water base rather than an oil base, depending on your beard and depending on your shave creams. But we'll apply some pre-shave Slick Water right now, and what it does is it really gets the beard ready for the cream. Not for the shave, but for the cream. Okay, also, it makes the hair stand a bit, this particular product. Pre-shave oils on the market, there's a lot of great ones on the market from a lot of different vendors out there. I suggested myself, people sometimes don't use it, but again, for me, time for your shave is very important. So take it seriously and prep your skin, it's very important. Okay? Leave the pre-shave solutions on for a minute before you apply the shave cream. Let it really absorb into the skin, and then after that you apply your shave cream and get ready for your shave. So go ahead, Lawrence, let's put the shave cream on them. Now some people, when they're doing applying shave creams, they will use a shaving brush. Silver tip badger hair brush is one of the better brushes. But what a brush does, it actually lifts the beard up, again, making the beard stand a bit for a better shave. But you don't have to use a brush. My suggestion is that when you apply your shave cream, massage it into your skin. Don't just slap it on. Again, take a little bit of pride in the shave. You'll wind up with a better shave at the end. So when you're applying shave cream, rub the shave cream into your skin. You'll feel your beard as you're going against the grain stand up. Taking the proper steps for a great shave is very important.